Hey guys, my name is Aaron and you're watching AA Unboxing. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let's get into the box. Go ahead and open this up. Pretty tight squeeze as you can hear, and here's the phone itself. I went for the blue edition. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And in here we have the SIM card tray remover and also a case, surprisingly. Let's go ahead and put this on the side. This also comes with a 10-watt charger, I believe. A USB Type-C cable. And also a decent pair of headphones. Now we got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and open this phone up. So this phone does support USB Type-C. We have a speaker grill on the right and a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter, on the left. On the left side of the device, we have no other buttons. On the top, we do have the front-facing motorized camera, 16 megapixels, our SIM card tray, and on the right of the device, we have the volume rocker and a power button. On the back, you will be presented with a sticker. Let's go ahead and remove that. A fingerprint sensor, a triple camera setup, and also a flash. On the front of the device, we have a 6.6-inch display, Full HD plus, and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and an included 128 gigabytes of storage, as well as a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's go ahead and remove the sticker. And first impressions, the phone is actually pretty big, but it does have a really good grip, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out of my hand or anything like that. This phone is running Android, but with Huawei's MIUI, their latest version, and we're gonna go ahead and go into the settings so that we can set up our fingerprint sensor and test it out real quick. Let's go ahead and shut off the device. Not the fastest fingerprint sensor I've ever used, but it gets the job done. Camera. That's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you turn post notifications on. But if you didn't like the video, go ahead and put a dislike and tell me what you didn't like about the video in the comments below. Thank you very much, and this was AA Unboxing.